Bonjour everyone, it's Krishang and I'm thrilled to have you back on my channel in Krishang French Learning, where we make French easy to learn with fun. In our last video, we explored negative expressions in French like déjà, n'a pas encore, n'est plus, sauver, ne jamais, and toujours, ne jamais. In today's lesson, we were tackling an essential topic in French like nothing, no one, nowhere, neither or nor, and we attempt some exercise also. But before we dive in, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. So let's get started with the expression. The first expression is quelque chose or tu. If you see quelque chose or tu in a sentence and ask to negate it, the appropriate negation is ne rien or rien. Quelque chose means something, tu means everything, and ne rien means nothing or anything. When we want to change something or everything in a sentence, we say nothing. You have to keep one thing in your mind while using rien. If there is no other subject present in a sentence, then you will directly start your sentence with rien. Let's take an example. Tu veux manger quelque chose? Do you want to eat something? The answer is no, je ne veux rien manger. No, I don't want to eat anything. In the sentence, veux is a verb. So we write ne before the verb and rien after the verb instead of quelque chose, which means something changes to anything. The other example is quelque chose se passe ici. Something is happening here. The answer is rien ne se passe ici. Nothing is happening here. Now, since we didn't have any subject in the statement, we start directly with rien ne in the beginning. See, quelque chose se passe ici. Rien ne se passe ici. Let's move on to next expression. Quelqu'un means someone. Quelqu'un or tout le monde. Whenever you see quelqu'un, someone, or tout le monde, everyone in a sentence, to say no one, in French, you see ne personne or personne ne in the negative statement. If there is no other subject present in the sentence, then you will directly start the sentence with personne ne. Let's take an example. Il y a quelqu'un dans cette maison. Is anyone in this house? No, there is no one in this house. So, how do we write this in French? No, il n'y a personne dans cette maison. In this sentence, personne is used to mean no one, and il n'y a personne express there is no one. Il y a quelqu'un dans cette maison. No, il n'y a personne dans cette maison. The other example is quelqu'un veut ce livre. Someone wants this book. Personne ne veut ce livre. Nobody wants these books. Now, since we didn't have any subject in the statement, we start directly with personne ne in the beginning. Quelqu'un veut ce livre. Personne ne veut ce livre. Now, the next expression is quelque part, means somewhere. And we change the negation with ne, nullepart means nowhere. Let's take an example. Va-t-il quelque part en vacances? Is he going somewhere on vacation? The answer is no, il ne va nulle part en vacances. No, he is not going anywhere on vacations. The next expression is a, means and. When two options are given with a means and, in French, we negate it with ne, ni, which means neither or nor. Let's take an example. Préfère-t-il le thé et le café? Does he prefer tea and coffee? No, il ne préfère ni le thé ni le café. No, he prefers neither tea or coffee. No, he prefers neither tea nor coffee. In this sentence, when two options are presented, like tea and coffee, for negation, we use neither nor in French. Préfère-t-il le thé et le café? Non, il ne préfère ni le thé ni le café. Let's take another example. Tu manges du chocolat et du gâteau. Do you eat some chocolate and some cake? No, je ne mange ni chocolat ni gâteau. No, I don't eat chocolate and cake. The statement, no, I don't eat chocolate and cake can also be expressed as neither chocolate nor cake. Both convey the same meaning, indicating that the person does not consume either chocolate or cake. In these kind of sentences, where partitive articles like do, de, la, or the are used with something, remember that while negating, these partitive articles are removed. In the given sentence, no, I don't eat chocolate and cake, we didn't use do before chocolat or gâteau. So when negating, we don't need to use do. When using na for negation, partitive articles like do, de, la, or they are removed from the sentence. Similarly, in the first sentence, if we had used a definite article like le, the before chocolat or gâteau, it would remain unchanged in the negated form. So far we have learnt quelque chose, ne rien, quelque un, ne personne, quelque pas, ne pulpa, et ne ni. Let's go through some exercise to gain a better understanding of nothing, no one, nowhere, neither, or nor. Exercise 1. Ne rien. Il a tout donné à son frère. He gave everything to his brother. Il n'a rien donné à son frère. He gave nothing to his brother. When negating a sentence with the verb avoir to have, we start with a vowel. We use na to changes to rien, while the rest of the sentence remains the same. Exercise 2. Ne rien. Il y a quelque chose dans la boîte. There is something in the box. Il n'y a rien dans la boîte. There is nothing in the box. The verb avoir starts with a vowel. We use nea instead of na. Quelque chose changes to rien, means something to nothing. We can also use rien at the starting of the sentence. For example, if we have quelque chose as a subject in the starting of the sentence, we can have rien ne at the beginning of the sentence like 3. Third, rien ne. Quelque chose est dans la trousse. Something's in the kit. Rien n'est dans la trousse. There is nothing in the box. We replace quelque chose with rien ne because a is the ether verb and beginning with a vowel as well. So we use ne and rest of the sentence will remain same. Third, quelque chose est dans la trousse. Rien n'est dans la trousse. Fourth, na personne. Il y a quelqu'un dans cette chambre. There is someone in this room. Il n'y a personne dans cette chambre. There is no one in this room. I have changed quelqu'un to na personne. Il n'y a personne dans cette chambre. There is no one in this room. Fifth, na personne. Quelqu'un frappe à la porte. Someone knocks the door. Someone knocks on the door. Personne ne frappe à la porte. No one knocks on the door. Just like rien ne can function as a subject in a sentence, Person no can also act as a subject indicating no one at the beginning of a sentence. Personne ne frappe à la porte. No one knocks on the door. 6. Ne pull. Ne nulle part. Je vais quelque part demain. I am going somewhere tomorrow. Je ne vais nulle part demain. I am not going anywhere tomorrow. When negating a sentence with the verb aller to go, way changes to nowhere. Nulle part is used to indicate nowhere in the negation. Let's take another example. 7th. Je vais quelque part. I am going somewhere. Je ne vais nulle part. I am not going anywhere. 8th. Il y a du pain et du fromage. There is bread and cheese. When you have two nouns separated by a and du is used before the first noun, du changes to ni in the negation. 8th. Il y a du pain et du fromage. There is bread and cheese. Il n'y a ni pain ni fromage. There is neither bread nor cheese. 9. Tu préfères le café ou le lait? Do you prefer coffee or milk? Je ne préfère ni le café ni le lait. I don't prefer coffee or milk. When there is a definite article, le or la, in a sentence and you are converting it to the negative, the definite articles remain unchanged. Let's take an similar sentence of partitive article do. 10th. Tu bois du café ou du lait? Do you drink coffee or milk? When we want to negate it, we say Je ne bois ni café ni lait. I don't drink neither coffee or milk. When negating a sentence and using neither or nor with a partitive article, the partitive article will be removed from the sentence. In the previous sentence, we discussed the negation of sentences with definite articles, where the definite article remains unchanged. However, when using ni to express neither or nor with a partitive article, the partitive article is needed removed in the negative construction. If you like what I covered in the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye for now.